going to be for 3 hours. Ready? And send.
Child abduction. The Scotland County Sheriff's Office is searching for Riley Johnson. Riley Johnson is a 4-year-old Indian male, approximately 3 feet tall, weighing 38 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Riley Johnson was last seen wearing a white short-sleeved shirt with tigers and tiger stripes and a white pants with rocket ship pattern. There is no information on an abductor. Johnson was last seen on Village Drive near Crestline Road in Warrenburg, North Carolina. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Scotland County Sheriff's Office at 910-277 as a 4-year-old Indian male, or call 911 or star HH. This is an Amber Alert. Riley Johnson is last seen wearing a white short-sleeved shirt with tigers and tiger stripes and a white pants with a rocket ship. Weighing 38 pounds. He has black hair and brown eyes. Riley Johnson was last seen wearing a white short-sleeved shirt with tigers and tiger stripes and a white pants with rocket ship pattern. There is no information on an abductor. Riley Johnson was last seen on Village Drive near Crestline Road in Warrenburg, North Carolina. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Scotland County Sheriff's Department immediately at 910-276-3385 or call 911 or star HB. This is an Amber Alert.
Make them go insane.
There you go, Amber.
Call it how it is. Hendrix. I promise I swear.
North Carolina Amber Alert for child abduction. The Scotland County Sheriff's Office is searching for Riley Johnson. Riley Johnson is a 4-year-old Indian male, approximately 3 feet tall, weighing 38 pounds. He has short black hair and brown eyes. Riley Johnson was last seen wearing a white short-sleeved shirt with tigers and tiger stripes and a white pants with rocket ship pattern. There is no information on an abductor. Riley Johnson was last seen on Village Drive near Crestline Road in Warrenburg, North Carolina. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Scotland County Sheriff's Department immediately at 910-276-3385 or call 911 or star HB. This is an Amber Alert.